FTAI Stock Thursday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. FTAI Aviation Ltd stock, name of the day. But yeah, it's like almost 14% up. But I'm seeing a very good increase in price here. But obviously I'm taking it with a grain of salt because I'm very intrigued about a higher time frame, which, by the way, just like a freaking beauty. This is certified beauty chart. It's absolutely beautiful. I mean, what, I have no words to say other than this is just like such a bullish trend to me. It's crazy. On the second break, it's game on for me. So it will be a lot better if I see like a little deeper retracement. It doesn't even have to come fill in the gap, but like if I see like a deeper retracement and then if I see a double break, I mean, then and only then I'll really buy. But other than that, like if there's a second break above this, I'm really considering it. So I'll keep you updated. It really depends on the second range and how it looks like. So if you want to make, I'm waiting, but if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.